Hey team, I wanted to give you a couple of examples of a few special cases. This is one, notice where the absolute value, when you get it alone, it equals a negative number. Remember, it represents distance, okay? So we cannot have a negative distance, okay? So once you get that absolute value by itself, that means there is no solution if it equals a negative number. Now, the other possibility, let's say, oh, you know what? We're not doing inequalities yet, so let's just stick with that. That would be it. Don't even worry about that one. So just be careful sometimes if you get the absolute value by itself and it equals a negative number. No idea where that is coming up. Cancel. No thanks. So hopefully that will help. Bye.